Naalala niyo pa ba si Jane? Yung kabatch ni na Loisa Adalio, Maurice Racal, and Joshua Garcia. Dahil sa interview ni Tito Boy Abunda, dito ko na-realize that Fiang and Jane ay magkapareho in this case. Tito Boy Abunda said, talking about Jane Oinesa, what if this is just a young girl growing up, committing her mistakes, and eventually becoming better? I'll be very frank. Kung wala si Jane, ang boring sa loob. No, really, I mean, kung wala si Jane, there is no story. Kasi let's remember, ang Pinoy Big Brother ba ay bahay ng mga anghel? Ang bahay ng mga pinakamababait? Sorry, baka naman ang ating pananaw masyado nating hinuhulma doon na she has to be like us for her to be good. Hindi ba ganon? Of course, baka naman ang mga ibang housemates ang hindi totoo at si Jane lang ang totoo. Baka naman si Jane ayaw maging katulad mo. Siya yung the point of the contradictions. May mga sinasabi tayo tapos sa kabilang dako, iba ibig sabihin. May mga moments na ikaw ang gusto natin. She's very young. Chris Aquino said, pero siguro it's not your job to make her something. Just let her be and it's your job to be the best that you can be. And Tito Boy Abunda answered, to do a commentary on who she is, using the prism of what is good according to you. Para sa akin, medyo hindi. Kasi ang bahay ni Kuya naman ay sabi nga namin, hindi naman ito langit. Sabi ni Tito Boy Abunda. So I can see Fiang through Tito Boy's words. She's just 18 guys. She's still learning to the best version of herself. For me, she's already mature enough to show that she's a good person inside. Despite of all her flaws, baka masyado lang perfect tingin natin sa sarili natin para pumuna ng kamalian ng iba. Let her mold herself and just let her be herself. In the end, taong bayan pa rin ang magdidesisyon. Kay Ding Dong, grabe yung character development. But what's hold me back is yung manners daw ni Fiang. Let Fiang know about your complaint and she will do her best to change it. Kasi sanay siyang tumanggap ng pagkakamali at sa'yo nangagaling, grabe yung character development. For you, nagmatter yung manner niya. But for us, what matter the most here is yung pagpapakatotoo niya. Jari said also, hindi siya takot sa sasabihin ng iba. Because her mistakes and your judgments doesn't define her. It defines you and those who judge her. So for Fiang, let him judge you. Let him misunderstand you. Let them gossip about you. Their opinions aren't your problems. You stay kind, committed to love, and free in your authenticity. No matter what they do or say, don't you doubt your worth or the beauty of your truth. Just keep shining like you always do. For us, you're fanatics. You are our big winner no matter what.